In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Outlook emails with Monday.com, a popular project management tool, in just 5 minutes. Let's get started on streamlining your workflow by making sure your emails and your tasks are perfectly in sync. First, navigate to Monday.com using your preferred web browser. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button. It's usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it. If you're not already logged in, Monday.com allows you the convenience of logging in via your Google account. Simply click on the Google icon, select your Google account from the list, and voila, you're in. With access granted, head over to your specific board. If you're managing multiple projects, make sure you select the right one to integrate with your emails. Once you're on your board, take note of the top right corner of your screen. There lies the Integrate button, which is crucial for this process. Give it a click, and a whole array of integration possibilities will reveal themselves to you. Among the options, you'll want to scroll down and select Outlook. It's the key to connecting your email communications with your project tasks. Selecting Outlook will prompt you to choose the type of Outlook connection you prefer. Take a moment to consider which type suits your needs best, as this choice will help you tailor how your emails feed into your Monday.com boards. Once you've decided on the connection type, you'll see an option labeled Use Template. Click on it, and this will guide you through the process of linking your Outlook account to Monday.com. You'll be asked to provide credentials or authorization, so make sure you have them handy. This step is essential to ensure that your email data is seamlessly synchronized with your project updates. And just like that, your Outlook emails should now be integrated with your Monday.com account. With this connection, all relevant email communications can be effortlessly tracked alongside your project tasks, facilitating a well-organized and efficient workflow. You've now unlocked the ability to manage your communications and tasks in tandem, saving time and reducing potential oversight. If you encounter any issues or have questions along the way, remember that both Monday.com and Outlook offer robust help centers. Don't hesitate to consult these resources if you need a little more guidance or troubleshooting advice. We hope this integration enhances your productivity and simplifies your project management process. Until next time, happy organizing.